Meaning of DWI.
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 DWI. DWI stands for diffusion-weighted imaging, which is a type of MRI, magnetic resonance imaging, scan that measures the diffusion of water molecules in tissues. This technique is particularly sensitive to changes in tissue structure and can provide information about early brain injury, stroke, and other neurological conditions. In a DWI scan, areas of high diffusion appear bright whereas areas of low diffusion appear dark. By analyzing these patterns, physicians can diagnose and monitor various health conditions. DWI is a powerful tool in modern medical imaging with wide clinical applications.